is Anya, and today I really want to make a Christmas cheesecake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to that notification bell to notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday.
Crush a sleeve of Oreos. Add in a quarter cup of melted butter and mix until well combined. Press your mixture out into a prepared pan and place in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up. In a bowl, combine 15 ounces of cream cheese, mix until smooth, add in a pinch of salt, add in 1 tin of condensed milk and mix until smooth. Add in a quarter cup of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and mix until well combined. Separate your mixture into 3 bowls. To 1 bowl, add in a few drops of peppermint essence and a few drops of green food coloring. Mix until well combined. To another bowl, add in a few drops of red food coloring and mix until well combined. Leave the third bowl plain. Alternate your colors. I did green, white, and red. Place your cheesecake in the fridge for about 4 to 8 hours. Add some whipped cream on top. And enjoy some Christmas cheesecake.